In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Opoly coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Opoly coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Retail Me Note. And right here we have a list, as you can see, with some deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this 15% discount right here. All you need to do is just select the button where it says Get Deal. And for this one, there is no code needed. So all you need to do after that is select the button where it says Shop at Opoly, and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Going back to the main search, we have right here this website which is called Voucher. And as you can see, we have some promo codes right here and some deals as well that we can get us some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 15% discount for the students, all you need to do is just select this button where it says Get Voucher. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. So basically, all you have to do after that is select the button where it says Go to Opoly, and you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.